white powdery substance, with calcium carbonate as its main component. It has a very wide range of applications, most commonly in the construction industry, which is industrial calcium carbonate. Lime powder pelletizing machine should be prepared before pressing materials. The blast furnace production of lime powder industry needs concentrate, and the pelletizing production of lime powder pelletizing machine also needs concentrate. Pellet raw materials should have a certain size, suitable moisture, uniform and good chemical composition guarantees. All these are important guarantees for the production of lime powder pellets. Our company is the first in the domestic development of the corresponding lime powder ball press, put into production, has achieved good results. Because the pellet strength and the pressure of the lime powder ball press machine itself is inseparable, the particle size is finer, the shape of the material particle is changed, the surface activity is enhanced, and the pelleting performance is greatly improved.